बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारा ऐसे हम कर रहे हैं को एजुकेशन पे 300 वर्ड्स का ऐसे है। को एजुकेशन एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस। को एजुकेशन, द एजुकेशन ऑफ बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स टुगेदर इन द सेम इंस्टीट्यूशन हैज़ बीन अ सब्जेक्ट ऑफ डिबेट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. While some people argue that it provides several benefits, others believe it has several disadvantages. In this essay, we will explore the advantages and disadvantages of coeducation. Advantages of coeducation: promotes gender equality. Coeducation promotes gender equality and helps to remove gender discrimination by allowing both genders to study together. Enhances social skills. Coeducation helps students develop social skills and communicate effectively with the opposite sex, which are essential for their future lives. Healthy competition. Coeducation encourages healthy competition among students, which is beneficial for their personal and academic growth. Exposure to different perspectives. Coeducation exposes students different perspectives and help them understand and respect each other's viewpoints. Cost effective. Coeducation is cost effective as it allows institutions to optimize their resources by having both genders in one classroom. Disadvantages of coeducation. Distraction. Coeducation can be distracting for students, particularly during their teenage years. Social pressure. Coeducation can put social pressure on students, which can lead to stress and anxiety. Inappropriate behavior. Coeducation can also lead to inappropriate behavior between students, particularly when they are not effectively supervised. Poor concentration. Some students may find it difficult to concentrate in co-educational environment due to the presence of the opposite sex. Lack of privacy. Co-education can lead to lack of privacy for students, which can be uncomfortable for some. Conclusion. In conclusion, co-education has both advantages and disadvantages. It can be an excellent way to promote gender equality, enhance social skills, and encourage healthy competition. However, it can also be distracting, put social pressure on students, and lead to inappropriate behavior. Institutions should weigh the pros and cons of co-education carefully and address the potential challenges so that every student can access quality education. ये था हमारा ऐसे को-एजुकेशन पे। वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करें और शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।